You can actually track football players with just Python and a single line of AI code. Let's build this player tracking tool together. It's easier than you think. First things first, let's install the required libraries. All dependencies are already listed in the requirements.txt file. Just one command is enough to install everything you need. The installation will only take a few seconds, and then we're ready to move on. Now let's jump into our main.py file and start coding. We begin by importing the libraries, CV2 for video processing, and Torch to load our YOLO v5 model from Ultralytics. Next, we load the model. We're using the lightweight version, YOLO 5S, which is pre-trained on the Coco dataset. It's small, fast, and perfect for real-time detection tasks like this one. Then, we open our video file, in this case a football match named match.mp4. We also prepare the output file where we'll save the processed video. Now comes the loop. While the video is playing, we read each frame and send it to our model. The model returns a list of detected objects, including people, which is what we're interested in. For every detection labeled as person, we draw a blue rectangle around them and label them as player. This is how we highlight the players in the match. After processing each frame, we write it to the output video and show it on screen. If you press Q, the loop stops. And finally, we release everything and close the video windows. Let's now run our Python file to convert the match.mp4 video. Once it's done, a new video file will appear in your project folder. In this video, every player detected by the model is marked with a blue box. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out the others on the channel. We've got more cool stuff on Python, computer vision, and machine learning. See you in the next one.